1 of 1.
Been a while out for the weekend. Me, myself, and all my 3 friends. Nigga feel like talking in leaf in.
How's it? And then there's one. Last tier 1. Last tier 1. Ooh. Last tier 1. I might even tier 1. There's no bat knob. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, you know what? It's heavy. Let me just say this: it's heavy, but it could be another 4-card pack. Could be another 4-card pack, which I do not need. I do want a bat knob. Let me get the middle relic out first. That's upside down. And I saw the team. It's the Philadelphia Phillies. 1 of 1. Oh, should I just... You know what? I'm gonna... 1 of 1. Ooh, swoosh. Oh, the name came out. Oh, wow. How's that patch? Oh, wow. Majestic. That's a nice patch. Scott Kingery. Yeah, he was a rookie last year. Wow. It's a triple relic card. 1 of 1. Whoo. That made it heavy. I wanted a bat knob, not a... Okay. Well, let's finish this off. We do have 4 cards, unfortunately. This one is Arenado. I love Arenado, but I do wish it was... I want somebody else, you know? Love Arenado. My favorite third baseman with Chapman. And Barreto, $2.99. So this was our best hit, 1 of 1. Oh God. Oh, wish it was a bat. Let me see the number first. There's no number. Must be on the bottom. Who's this? Seattle. Haniger. Yep, to 240. Whew. I'm just speechless. Tempting to buy another case. Well, stay tuned if I do or not. But, hey, not 1 of 1. Thanks for watching. Aloha.